Public, private and blockchain consortia. Public blockchains make up the vast majority of distributed ledgers currently in existence. They are publicly available due to the fact that anyone can view the transaction history. And also joins the block validation, you only need to install additional software. Private blockchains set their own specific rules for viewing transactions and transferring data to the chain, unlike public blockchains. Such networks are not decentralized because they have a clear hierarchy, but they are distributed. Blockchain consortia sit between public and private blockchains, combining elements of both networks. The difference and peculiarity of the consortium chain is that it can consider several equivalent parties at once as validators. While an open network in which everyone can check blocks, or a closed network in which only one person appoints a validator. The consortium chain rules are hybrid. You need to understand that you should not compare public, private and blockchain consortia with each other, since these are completely different technologies.